Hey there, folks. It's Friday. Let's get to it. I'm Joe Crawford of artlong.com. Every day I do the daily target. Let's do it. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. All right. What's the shape? How do we do it? Many choices. Feel like today it's all about the gradients. And so what gradients are they? Oh, it's no, I go with nested template. Nested template, I think, is actually what I want to do today, and that'll be great. All right, so we're going to use the margins to limit uh limit the what am I trying to say? Oh goodness, limit the size of the body tag. So sometimes I sit down and I'm not actually ready to do it, but that's okay. 100, 5, 6, 7, and then 10, 10, 12. All right, so this is what we got so far. We got a bunch of colors. How about a linear gradient that is left to right, red and blue. Red and then blue, 50%. So that's how you get that. Now, do we want to make space? Do we make another color stop? We have to, we can do it as a cover. So I can do it as transparent. Probably this number is not going to be great. 40, and then what, 60%? And I'm missing a comma. There's our comma. So if we do 40%, 60%, yeah. So I knew that was not going to be quite what I wanted it to be. 2, 3, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Ooh, how about 100Q? 30, 40, 50, 45, 46, 47, 48, 148Q. And then this next number, what? 200Q? 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3. And then we have another linear gradient, which is this black color, 30 pixels, let's say, transparent. And then we move it down. That's it. Submit, and we're done. 2 linear gradients. There's a lot of different ways to do this. I could have made the repeat just on the y-axis, given it a width. That would be another way to do this. So many choices. So many choices. It makes my head spin. Submit. So that's the HTML element has the white color, FFF, FF, F9, F1, and then the body element has these 2 gradients. All right, I want to do it again. I want to do it again because I want to do it again. Okay, so if we did it all backgrounds, let's make spaces for it. The first thing I'm going to do is an iconic gradient. And I'm going to do this white color 75% around and then transparent. Oh, I got a period instead of a comma. Transparent. And I'm going to put a color I don't care about at the box. So I want to make sure I get the right thing. So let's move that around. We're going to move that over 10, 20 pixels and then down 100 pixels. 10, 12, 13, 14, something like that. I don't think that's correct, but it's close enough. 350 pixels, 50 pixels. What is the at? Make it taller. 60, 70. All right. So this is what I'm making. This conic gradient is uh, limiting what we've got, limiting the space. So I'm filling in the space around the figures. Now to do that, I really need the contrast, so pink is not good enough. All right, so there's where we see our problem. 5, okay. And then the height of this is, looks like it's not quite right, but it's actually probably right. 6, 7, 360, so 360 wide. All right, and then, so we have our first gradient. Oh, something went wonky there. Wonky on my other screens. Hopefully I'm still recording. Never like it when weird things happen on my screen. Linear gradient. All right, is there a way to do this? Actually, how about another kind of gradient? That'll be fun. We'll do it, what? We'll do this transparent. We'll do transparent, 25%, and then this black color, 0, 50%, and then red. And we're going to repeat that on the y-axis. Okay. Oh, and I guess I can't really do that as transparent. I actually need it to be this color, don't I? And then I'm going to add blue to the back of that. Okay. So a lot of things going on here. I kind of have it and I kind of don't. So let's make it work. The at value of this is going to be at. So here's where it's interesting when I do this on the fly. 100 pixels, 20 pixels. Oh, that's not, yeah, let's force that over. 200 over, 160, 60 is correct. And then down, to 180 probably. No, 140, about 135. Great. And then I need to give this a height of probably 155 or 165 maybe. There it is. And then it needs to be a little bit wider, doesn't it? Yeah. 2, 10, 20, 30, 40. And that's it. So that's two gradients and then the background color of the blue. So we're filling in all the different colors there. I like that solution a lot, but I do love a gradient and I love a conic gradient, and that's two conic gradients right there for me. And I like that. I think that's solution. Let's minify, you replace, and that's it. I only intend to do one and be quick, and then I got entranced. Oh, and I messed up my minification. Move it up a little bit. 60. What other optimizations can we make there? At 90 width and 40% view width. Oh no, that's so good. Because it's of a certain size. Yeah. Anything else I can do there? A few small tweaks, and there's a final styles. Final set of styles. The two gradients to make that work. It's not better. The best is this guy here, and that's fine. I'll take the win on that. But it was fun to do. All right, going in Valentine's Day weekend here. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. Go make a webpage. See you around. Bye.